Are you also frustrated with 11 Labs' unusual activity errors? Today, I'll show you 7 free tools that let you generate unlimited voices completely free. Yes, you heard that right, unlimited. With these tools, you can create the same high-quality voices as 11 Labs. And the last tool I'll share is even more powerful than 11 Labs. It lets you add emotions, control voices, and even do voice cloning and voice designing. Most importantly, in the middle of this video, I'll also give you the real solution to the unusual activity problem, so don't skip ahead. Let's start. The first tool is Gemini Speech Generation. This is officially from Google and is completely free. To access it, open Chrome and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the first site and you'll be redirected to the home page. Now click on Generate Media on your left. After that, choose the Gemini Speech Generation model. You'll see an interface. Click on the Adjust icon, and in the Model section, select Gemini 2.5 Pro. If you select Single Speaker Mode, you'll have just one voice in the output. But if you choose Multiple Speaker Mode, you'll get multiple voices in one speech, just like 11 Labs V3. Let's try Single Speaker Mode first. Select your preferred voice. I'll select Color Ho. In style, describe the tone of your script. For example, I'll choose Narrative, Thought-Provoking. Now paste your script and click Run. In just a few seconds, your voice will be ready.
I never realized that one small choice that day would change everything about the way I saw the world.
Select a different voice for each speaker. Describe the tone. I'll set it to friendly and paste the dialogues accordingly. You can add more lines by clicking Add Dialogue. Then click Run. In a few seconds, your multi-speaker audio will be ready.
I never realized that one small choice that day would change everything about the way I saw the world.
Sometimes it's the smallest decisions that open the biggest doors in life.
You might think it's not free, but you can use it for free through the method I am just going to tell you. With this, you can easily generate a 10-minute script. Type Murph AI in Google. Click on the first website, then click on Sign Up. Do not sign up with your own Google account. In a separate tab, type Emailnator in Google. Turn off Google Mail and click on Generate New. Make sure that you generate a Gmail account. Paste this Gmail account into Murph AI and create a password using the given instruction. Then click Sign Up. Murph AI will notify you that a mail has to been sent. Go back to Emailnator and hit Go. Once inside the inbox, hit Click Here to verify. Boom! Access Murph AI for free. Access over 212 multilingual AI voices. Explore the voices and choose the one that suits your project the best, and click on Use. Choose the most suitable style for your script. Adjust the pitch and speed if you want. Paste your script. Then hit the play button to generate audio. Play and preview the voice.
Sometimes, it's the smallest decisions that open the biggest doors in life.
If you want to learn the trick to download even longer scripts for free, DM me and I will share the trick with you. The third tool is SpeechMa. Here you can generate unlimited voices without sign-up. Just search SpeechMa in Chrome. Click the first site, paste your script, select your preferred language. I'll choose English. Then choose your speaker. You can also adjust pitch, speed, and volume. After that, fill in the code on the right and click Generate. In a few seconds, your voice will be ready.
Sometimes, it's the smallest decisions that open the biggest doors in life.
The quality is pretty good, though it could be improved with editing. The fourth tool is OpenAI.fm. Again, no sign-up required and unlimited voices. Search OpenAI.fm, click the first site, select your speaker, and choose the tone in the vibe option. For example, Eternal Optimist. Copy the prompt given in the description. Paste your script and click play. Your audio will be generated instantly.
Sometimes it's the smallest decisions that open the biggest doors in life.
The quality is nice and natural, though again, some editing can make it better. The fifth tool is All Voice Lab. This gives you 100 free credits. Apart from text-to-speech, it also offers advanced features like voice cloning, voice changer, and video translation. Just paste your script, select your voice, and generate.
Sometimes it's the smallest decisions that open the biggest doors in life.
The quality feels natural and realistic. The sixth tool is 11 Labs app itself. Now here's the real solution to the unusual activity issue. You no longer need to use the 11 Labs website. Just download the official 11 Labs app from the Play Store launched recently. The best part? There's no unusual activity problem here. The interface is slightly different, but you can still check generation history, adjust speed, stability and choose speakers. All voices are available here, though voice cloning and designing will be added later. I personally faced unusual activity errors on the website, but not in the app version.
Times, it's the smallest decisions that open the biggest doors in life.
And by the way, no one on YouTube has shared this trick yet, so do give a like and subscribe. Now for the bonus seventh tool, Minimax Audio. This isn't completely free. Besides text-to-speech, you also get AI music, voice cloning, and voice designing. You can generate voices for up to 200,000 characters here. Choose your language, select a speaker, and even adjust tone with emotions like happy, sad, or angry, features not available in 11 Labs.
Sometimes it's the smallest decisions that open the biggest doors in life.
I found the quality very natural and realistic. So I've shared all the best free voice generators with you. If you want more quality content like this, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with new AI tool.